Hello everyone, I am Sidhvita, a member of Krino Forensics. In this video, we will understand what exactly forensic science means, explore its core branches, and look at the scope and job opportunities in this fascinating field. What is forensic science? Let's break down what forensic science really means. The word forensic comes from the Latin word forensis, which means of the forum, which refer to public discussion and legal matters. Science come from scientia, meaning knowledge. So when we put together, forensic science literally means the knowledge used in courts or legal matters. But in modern terms, it goes even deeper. Forensic science is the application of scientific methods, principles to investigate crimes and legal issues. It includes the collection, preservation, and analysis of physical evidence from crime scenes. All this help in law enforcement, legal proceedings, and courts to uncover the truth and deliver the justice. Now, let's explore the core branches that make forensic science such a powerful tool in criminal investigations. Let's start with forensic biology, one of the most crucial branches of forensic science. Forensic biology is the application of biology to law enforcement. It mainly focuses on analyzing body fluids, tissues, and biological evidence found at the crime scenes. This branch includes DNA profiling, bloodstain pattern analysis, species determination, and identification of biological samples like hair, saliva, skin cells, etc. Career options in this field include working as forensic biologist, DNA analyst, crime laboratory analyst, or a biology technician in forensic labs. Forensic biology plays a key role in solving crimes by connecting biological evidence to people and events. Let's now move on to the next branch, forensic serology, a key branch in biological evidence examination. Forensic serology involves the study and identification of body fluids such as blood, semen, saliva, and urine for investigative purposes. This includes determination of blood groups, detection of body fluids at crime scenes, and linking the suspect to criminal activity through biological traces. Career options in this field include working as forensic serologist, biological evidence examiner, or a forensic lab assistant. Forensic serology helps connect evidence to people through what body leaves behind, even in the small traces. Now, let's talk about forensic DNA analysis, one of the powerful tools in modern forensic science. It involves the use of genetic material to identify individuals involved in criminal or civil cases. This includes criminal identification, solving paternity disputes, and identifying victims in mass disasters through DNA profiling. Job opportunities in this field are DNA forensic scientist, genetic analyst, molecular biologist in forensic labs. With just a drop of blood or a strand of hair, forensic DNA analysis can help to crack complex cases and deliver justice. Next is forensic chemistry, a key branch that applies principles of chemistry to analyze physical evidence from crime scenes. Forensic chemistry involves using chemical techniques to identify, analyze the substance found at the crime scenes. It covers drug identification, analysis of explosives or fire debris, and detection of unknown substances. Coming to the job opportunities in this field, which includes forensic chemist, narcotic analyst, explosive analyst, trace evidence examiner, and environmental forensic analyst. Forensic chemistry helps reveal the chemical secrets behind the crimes, playing a vital role in investigations. Now, let's explore forensic toxicology. It is the study of drugs, poisons, and other toxic substances and their effects on human body in legal and criminal investigations. Forensic toxicology focuses on detecting and analyzing toxins and drugs, especially in cases involving death or poisoning. This includes postmortem toxicology, workplace drug testing, and poison detection, etc. Career options in this field includes forensic toxicologist, postmortem toxicology analyst, drug testing specialist, poison control analyst, crime lab analyst, and environmental toxicologist. Forensic toxicology play a vital role in uncovering how substances affect victims and suspects, helping to solve complex cases. Next, we have forensic pathology, the branch that determines the cause and the manner of death by examining the bodies through autopsies. Forensic pathologists investigate suspicious death, analyzing injuries, estimate the time of death, and provide crucial evidence for legal cases. Career options include forensic pathologist, medical examiner, autopsy technician, medico legal investigator, and forensic consultant. Plays a key role in uncovering the truth behind unexplained or suspicious deaths. And a point to be noted here is to become a forensic pathologist, you must have an MBBS degree with a specialization. Without that, you cannot be a forensic pathologist. With studying MSc, BSc, or PhD in forensic science, you cannot become a forensic pathologist. You must have an MBBS, otherwise, you cannot be a forensic pathologist. Now, let's look at forensic anthropology, the study of human remains to understand individuals and assist in legal investigations. This includes identifying human remains, determining age, gender, and ancestry from bones, estimating time since death, analyzing trauma on bones, and helping with mass disaster victim identification. Job roles in this department are forensic anthropologist, human osteologist, disaster victim identification specialist, forensic consultants, or academic researchers. Forensic anthropology helps bring justice by giving voice to the diseases. Next is forensic odontology, which applies dental science to legal investigations. Forensic odontologists identify victims to analyze bite marks, estimate age, assist in disasters, and provide crucial legal evidence. And the common roles include forensic odontologist, forensic dentist, dental identification specialist, disaster victim identification team member, and legal consultant. Now let's talk about forensic entomology, the study of insects to help determine the time and circumstances of death. It involves estimating time of death, analyzing insect activity, locating body movement, and detecting neglect or abuse. Job opportunities in this field are forensic entomologists, crime scene investigators, research scientists, and forensic consultants. Coming to forensic psychology, which applies psychology to legal and criminal investigations. It includes assessing the mental state of offenders, providing expert testimony, assisting in criminal profiling, evaluating competency of trial, and supporting victim counseling. Job opportunities in this department are forensic psychologists, criminal profilers, legal consultants, and victim advocates work in this dynamic field. Next is forensic psychiatry, the branch that deals with assessing and treating mentally disordered individuals in legal context. This includes assessing mental fitness for trial, evaluating criminal responsibility, treating mentally ill offenders, providing expert testimony, and conducting risk assessment. Job opportunities in this department are forensic psychiatrists, mental health evaluators, court advisors, and legal consultants. Now, let's explore forensic ballistics, the study of firearms, ammunition, and effects of projectiles in legal investigations. Forensic ballistics help solve cases involving guns and gunfire. It involves analyzing firearms and bullets, matching bullets to weapons, investigating shooting incidents, examining the gunshot residues, and reconstructing the crime scenes. Job opportunities in this department are forensic ballistic experts, firearm examiners, crime scene analysts, and forensic consultants. Now, let's understand forensic document analysis. Forensic document examination involves analyzing documents to verify authenticity, authorship, and detect forgery in legal cases. It includes forgery detection, handwriting verification, and identification of counterfeit documents, ink analysis, etc. Professionals in this field are document examiners, handwriting experts, and forensic consultants. Let's move to digital forensics, which is also known as cyber forensics. It is the investigation of digital devices to recover, analyze, and preserve electronic evidence for legal purposes. It includes recovering deleted data, investigating cyber crimes, tracing digital evidence, analyzing mobile and computer data, and ensuring data integrity in the court. Job opportunities in this field are digital forensic analyst, cybercrime investigator, mobile forensic expert, network security analyst, forensic consultant. Coming to forensic linguistics, it is the study of language used in legal contexts to analyze written or spoken evidence. This involves analyzing written threads or random notes, identifying authorship of text, examining legal documents, interpreting recorded conversations, and supporting voice identification. Job opportunities in this department are forensic linguistic, authorship analyst, legal language expert, and voice analysis consultants. Now, let's talk about forensic engineering, which applies engineering principles to investigate failures, accidents, or crimes. This includes analyzing structural failures, investigating accidents and explosions, examining materials and machinery, reconstructing the events, and providing expert reports. Job opportunities in this department are forensic engineers, accident reconstruction experts, and structural failure analysts. Now, let's talk about forensic accounting, the use of accounting skills to investigate financial crimes and disputes. This includes detecting fraud and analyzing financial records, investigating money laundering, and calculating economic damages, supporting litigations. Career opportunities in this department are forensic accountant, fraud examiner, financial investigator, and litigation support analyst. Next is forensic geology, where earth materials help to solve the crimes. It involves analyzing soil evidence, linking suspects to crime scenes by comparing geological samples, by locating buried remains, and studying environmental crime scenes. Job opportunities in this department are forensic geologist, soil evidence analyst, crime scene investigators, and environmental forensic experts. Now we have wildlife forensics. Wildlife forensic science is applying forensic science knowledge to protect animals and investigate wildlife crimes. This includes identifying species from remains, investigating poaching and trafficking, and analyzing animal DNA, enforcing wildlife protection laws, and supporting conservation efforts. Career opportunities in this department are wildlife forensic scientist, conservation forensic expert, and wildlife DNA analyst. Let's now explore about environmental forensics, the science used to trace the source and the cause of environmental contamination. This includes tracing pollution sources, analyzing soil, water, and air samples, investigating legal dumping, supporting environmental litigation, and assisting in cleanup efforts. Job opportunities in this department are environmental forensic scientists, pollution analysts, environmental consultants, and legal advisors in environmental cases. Next is forensic nursing, where medical care meets legal evidence collection. Forensic nurse care for victim of violation, collect and preserve forensic evidence, document injuries, testify in court, and support investigations. This includes forensic nurses, sexual assault nurse examiners, legal nurse consultants, and clinical forensic specialists. Next, we have forensic biotechnology. The use of advanced biotech technologies in legal investigations. It covered DNA profiling, genetic identification, microbial forensics, analyzing biological evidence, and supporting paternity and kinship testing. The job opportunities in this department are forensic biotechnologist, DNA analyst, molecular forensic expert, and genetic evidence examiners, etc. Let's understand criminology. Criminology is the scientific study of crime, criminal behavior, and the justice system. Criminologists explore the cause of crime, analyze offenders' behavior, research crime trends, assist in crime prevention, and support the rehabilitation programs. Job opportunities in this field are criminologist, crime analyst, criminal behavior expert, and policy advisor. Finally, we have fingerprint analysis. It is the study and comparison of fingerprints to identify individuals in forensic investigations. This includes identifying people from their fingerprint patterns, comparing prints from crime scenes, maintaining databases, and linking suspects to evidence. Career opportunities in this field are fingerprint analyst, latent print examiner, crime scene technicians, and forensic analyst. So, whichever branch of forensic science you choose, you can build a strong career in academics or research. To become a lecturer, professor, or forensic scientist, you can pursue MSc in forensic science with your chosen specialization with qualifying NET exam, and optionally you can go for PhD. Or if you are inclined towards research, follow the same path MSc, NET, and PhD, and you can work as a forensic researcher in top institutes or research labs. The path is flexible, rewarding, and full of opportunities to contribute science and justice. Forensic science is a dynamic and multidisciplinary field that plays a crucial role in criminal justice system. Each branch opens door to apply scientific knowledge to solving crimes, delivering justice, and supporting law enforcement. With right qualifications like BSc, MSc, and even PhD, you can explore career paths in lab analysis, field investigations, teaching, or research. Whether your goal is to become a forensic expert, consultant, lecturer, or researcher, this field offers you endless opportunities for meaningful and impactful work. And that brings us to the end of our journey to the diverse and fascinating branches of forensic science. Each field plays a unique role in uncovering the truth and delivering justice, whether it's biology, chemistry, psychology, or biotechnology. No matter which path you choose, your work can make a real difference. Keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious because in forensic science, every detail is matter. I hope you enjoyed the session. Please drop your comments below if you have any questions or if you want us to explain any forensic topic in future videos, we would be happy to cover them. And the presentation document will be shared on our social media platforms. You can directly access the document from there. For more information or queries, you can also reach out to us through our social media channels. Stay tuned for next video to learn with Krino Forensics. Thank you.